Strip HTML from strings in Python. When printing a line in an HTML file, I'm trying to find a way to only show the contents of each HTML element and not the formatting itself. If it finds a href equals whatever example, some text, /a, it will only print some text, b, hello, /b, prints hello, etc. How would one go about doing this?
I always use this function to strip HTML tags, as it requires only the Python stlib. For Python 3, for Python 2,
If you need to strip HTML tags to do text processing, a simple regular expression will do. Do not use this if you are looking to sanitize user-generated HTML to prevent XSS attacks. It is not a secure way to remove all script tags or tracking images. The following regular expression will fairly reliably strip most HTML tags. For those that don't understand regex, this searches for a string is lower than ... where the inner content is made of one or more plus characters that isn't a. The question mark means that it will match the smallest string it can find. For example, given p, hello, /p, it will match p and /p separately with the question mark. Without it, it will match the entire string is lower than ... hello ... If non-tag is lower than appears in HTML, e.g. 2 is lower than 3, it should be written as an escape sequence and ... anyway, so they may be unnecessary.
You can use Beautiful Soup get_text feature. It is advisable to explicitly specify the parser, for example as Beautiful Soup HTML_str features equals HTML.parser for the output to be reproducible.
Short version. Regex source, markup safe. Their version handles HTML entities too, while this quick one doesn't. Why can't I just strip the tags and leave it? It's one thing to keep people from italicizing /I things without leaving is floating around. But it's another to take arbitrary input and make it completely harmless. Most of the techniques on this page will leave things like unclosed comments, dash, and angle brackets that aren't part of tags, blah, blah, and tagged. The NiME parser version can even leave complete tags in, if they're inside an unclosed comment. What if your template is first name, last name? First name equals comma and then last name equals href equals http://evil.example/ will be let through by every tag stripper on this page, except at Madero's, because they're not complete tags on their own. Stripping out normal HTML tags is not enough. Django strip_tags, an improved, see next heading, version of the top answer to this question, gives the following warning. Absolutely no guarantee is provided about the resulting string being HTML safe. So never mark safe the result of a strip underscore tags call without escaping it first, for example with escape. Follow their advice. To strip tags with NightingaleParser, you have to run it multiple times. It's easy to circumvent the top answer to this question. Look at this string, source and discussion. The first time NightingaleParser sees it, it can't tell that the m ... is greater than is a tag. It looks broken, so NightingaleParser doesn't get rid of it. It only takes out the comments, leaving you with. This problem was disclosed to the Django project in March 2014. Their old strip underscore tags was essentially the same as the top answer to this question. Their new version basically runs it in a loop until running it again doesn't change the string. Of course, none of this is an issue if you always escape the result of strip underscore tags. Update 19th of March, 2015. There was a bug in Django versions before January 4, 2020, January 6, 2011, 1.7.7, and 1.8c1. These versions could enter an infinite loop in the strip underscore tags function. The fixed version is reproduced above. More details here. Good things to copy or use. My example code doesn't handle HTML entities. The Django and Markup Safe package versions do. My example code is pulled from the excellent Markup Safe library for cross-site scripting prevention. It's convenient and fast, with C speedups to its native Python version. It's included in Google App Engine, and used by Jinja 2, 2.7 and up, Mako, Pylons, and more. It works easily with Django templates from Django 1.7. Django strip underscore tags and other HTML utilities from a recent version are good, but I find them less convenient than Markup Safe. They're pretty self-contained, you could copy what you need from this file. If you need to strip almost all tags, the Bleach library is good. You can have it enforce rules like my users can italicize things, but they can't make iframes. Understand the properties of your tag stripper. Run fuzz tests on it. Here's the code I used to do the research for this answer. Sheepish note, the question itself is about printing to the console, but this is the top Google result for Python strip HTML from string, so that's why this answer is 99% about the web.
If you want to say one, please consider subscribing.